Okay, it's recording. Go ahead.
I can't do it. I can't do it.
You did it, baby. You did it. I couldn't do it. I can fart real good. See, that's what I'm talking
You're breaking it down.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Be quiet.
Go here one more time.
That's how a real woman burps.
Apparently, some man burps too. Hold on.
Do it, sister.
I can't.
Come on. You can do this.
Can you put this on Facebook?
I promise you it won't.
Wait for it. Oh, it went away. Hold on.
That shit is going on Facebook tomorrow.
No, it ain't.
No,
I swear I won't
But
do that
look,
shit.
how do you do it? Do you
Really?
swallow
Do you
air
like
or-
swallow air or something?
It's got. There's gotta be a way to do it. You know what I'm saying? Girl, you master that. That'd be the bomb. If Anita called me by the burping contest.
Look, that is the coolest shit a girl has ever done. Look.
That's what I'm talking about. You got that shit down pat.
Yeah.
You're making yourself do it, so I don't know how you do it, but that's awesome.
You need to sit down.
Okay.
Wait, I'm trying to.
Right. You burnt Christmas, 12 days of Christmas.
I swear to God, I've never heard a girl do that.
I've never heard a girl
Because
burp
you never
like
met a girl as cool as me.
True.